Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out what might just be the best smartwatch band replacement on the market, the Vanjua 18mm, 20mm, and 22mm quick-release replacement wristbands. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and comfortable strap to upgrade your smartwatch, this 4-pack silicone band set could be exactly what you need. The Vanjua watch bands come in 3 sizes, 18mm, 20mm, and 22mm, to fit most smartwatch lug widths. So before you order, just make sure to double-check your watch's lug size for a perfect fit. Each pack includes 4 bands in a variety of stylish colors like black, navy blue, blue-gray, and gray, giving you multiple options to match your daily look or mood. One of the key features that stands out is the material. These bands are made from high-quality silicone, which means they're soft and gentle on the wrist, yet tough enough to handle everyday wear and tear. They're lightweight, breathable, and waterproof, making them ideal for sports and outdoor activities. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a swim, or just running errands, these bands promise comfort and durability. Installation is a breeze thanks to the quick-release design. The aluminum buckle ensures a secure hold, so you don't have to worry about your watch slipping off. Plus, the adjustable size fits wrists from about 5.5 inches to 8.3 inches, accommodating a wide range of users. This makes it a convenient choice whether you have a smaller or larger wrist. These bands also feature a deployant clasp, which adds a nice touch of security and sophistication. It's the kind of clasp you find on higher-end watch straps, helping keep the band in place while adding to its overall sleek look. What makes this set even more appealing is its affordability. You're getting 4 premium silicone straps with quick-release pins at a very reasonable price, which is perfect if you like switching up your watch's style frequently without breaking the bank. So, if you want a reliable, comfortable, and stylish upgrade for your smartwatch band, the Vanjua 18mm, 20mm, 22mm quick-release replacement wristbands in this 4-pack are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.